Hi, this is GP Terrio with Veritex Mortgage. Hey, real quick, I get the question all the time on what is the difference between a pre-qualification and a pre-approval. So in this video, it's going to explain the differences.
Pre-qualification is when you are submitting your income, asset information, and maybe getting your credit report pulled. And it's an initial preliminary decision of what you may be eligible for, but it is not a full underwriting approval. Now, pre-approval is when we actually collect the documents for your income and assets and verify all of that information, and we have an actual underwriter who understands all of the agency guidelines and requirements for the financing of the loan, and they'll verify and confirm that all is well.
We're going to pull your credit report, and we're going to look at your credit to see like what type of obligations you already have. So if you have a car payment, we have to take that into account. If you have, a lot of credit cards or student loans, we're going to take those into account as well.
So pre-approval is basically a verified pre-qualification. We review your income, assets, and determine what you could actually afford. At that point in time, you would be ready to proceed with purchasing a property.
It's much better, and it's much better for negotiating, because if you're pre-approved, that seller knows that your bank has reviewed your credit and all of your documents and you are approved for the loan.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's definitely important to have that pre-approval. One, it kind of solidifies how much home you can afford, and then two, it shows that prospective seller that this person is making a serious offer. And so, yeah, having that ahead of time, we knew that we were pre-approved, but not having that letter could slow it down, and we were in a situation with multiple bids, and it could have lost us the home potentially if someone else had that letter and we didn't have that letter.